Have you ever wondered how to transform a Word document into a PDF effortlessly? Well, you're about to discover just how straightforward it is. In this tutorial, we'll explore two methods for converting Word documents into PDF format. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to convert Word to PDF. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create better content for you. Method 1. Using Microsoft Word. Begin by opening the Microsoft Word application on your desktop. Ensure you have Word installed. It's a standard application included in Microsoft Office. Once Word is open, load the Word document that you want to convert into a PDF. You can open an existing document or create a new one. To convert your Word document into a PDF, click on File in the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF on your computer. You can save it on your desktop or in a specific folder. In the Save as Type drop-down menu, select PDF. Your document's file name will automatically change to have a .pdf extension. Before saving, you can configure additional options, such as specifying page ranges or document properties, if needed. However, the default settings are usually sufficient for most cases. Click Save to initiate the conversion. Your Word document is now saved as a PDF on your computer. You can open and review the newly created PDF to ensure it matches the content of your original Word document. Method 2. Using Office Online. If you don't have access to the desktop version of Microsoft Word or prefer an online solution, visit the website office.com. Sign into your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. Logging in is free and provides access to Office Online. After signing in, you'll land on a page that resembles your Office 365 dashboard. Select Word to open the online Word application. Here, you can create a new Word document or upload an existing one. If you've uploaded an existing document, open it within the online Word application. To convert the document to PDF, click on File in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Save As. You'll see an option to Download as PDF. Select this option to start the conversion. The document will be converted to PDF format and downloaded to your computer. You can now access the PDF file in your Downloads folder or wherever you specified it to be saved. Converting a Word document into a PDF is a quick and straightforward process. Whether you have Microsoft Word installed on your desktop or you prefer the online approach, both methods deliver excellent results. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for additional tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.